Welcome to Spices and Aromas. I am Rovena. Today I am going to make a delicious Rawa fry or semolina fry using green-lipped mussels. We call it kalla or pachile in Tulu and job in Konkani. There are two types of mussels available here. This one is with a green shell. The other one comes without the shell. I have already cleaned the mussels. Find the details for cleaning in the description box. Use a knife to remove the dirt or barnacles that is stuck to the shells. If you are an expert, you can open the shell using the knife, but it's a bit tricky and need to be careful. A simple way is to boil the mussels with some salt, covering the pot with a lid. This helps the shell to open up easily. Once the mussels are boiled and the shells are open, carefully remove the flesh from the shells and set it aside. Next, let's make the marinade. I am using Rovena's fish fry masala. You can use your preferred masala or check in the description box to make the fish fry masala paste at home. I just added 2 tablespoons of fish fry powder, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and I am using the stock that I got while cooking the mussels to prepare the paste. Link to buy Rovena's fish fry masala is mentioned in the description box. Add some salt to taste. If you are using homemade paste, then there is no need to add salt as it already includes salt. Also check in the ingredients whenever you buy the other fish fry masalas. Let me add this cooked mussels and mix it and keep it aside for 5 to 10 minutes so that this masala is absorbed well. If you don't have time, you can just skip it. After marinating it for some time, I am adding 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Next, I will add the binding ingredients. I am adding 1 teaspoon of corn flour and 2 teaspoons of maida. So this is the right proportion of maida and corn flour. Cornstarch contributes to the crispy texture while maida provides structure and helps in coating stick to the mussels. If you want it crispier, you can add 1 teaspoon of rice flour. I just coated the mussels with some semolina and deep fry it. Please do like, share and follow my channel for all the updates on my new recipes. Please do find all the details of this recipe in the description box. You can prepare curry, sukka and chili fry. Stay tuned for updates. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you will try this recipe whenever you find mussels. If you like my recipes, please do share it with your friends. And there you have it, delicious Rawa fried mussels, perfectly crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. Enjoy your seafood treat. Until we meet next time, I wish you happy cooking. Thank you so much.